Somewhere in Stockholm, a 28-year-old woman woke up this morning, checked her phone, and saw $4,200 sitting in her account. She didn't go to an office. She didn't answer a single email. She didn't even set an alarm. That is not luck, that is architecture. In 2026, the people who are financially free, they didn't work harder. They built smarter. And today, I'm going to show you the exact 5 income streams that are quietly making ordinary Europeans extraordinarily wealthy. Streams that most financial channels are still too afraid to talk about honestly. Stay with me, because the 5th one, nobody is talking about it yet.
Let's be brutally honest for a moment. The old model, one job, one salary, one pension, that model was designed for a different century, and the statistics confirm what you already sense. In 2024, over 62% of Europeans reported that a single income was no longer sufficient to maintain the quality of life they expected. Inflation didn't just rise, it restructured reality. But here is what the wealthiest 1% understood decades ago, and what the internet has now made accessible to everyone. Multiple diversified income streams aren't a luxury. They are the only rational response to an irrational economy. So let's build your architecture, stream by stream. Stream number 1. Dividend-based investing. The quiet wealth machine. This is not about becoming a stock market gambler. This is about owning a small piece of the most profitable companies on earth and letting them pay you simply for holding that piece. European investors are uniquely positioned here. With platforms like DeGiro Trade Republic and Interactive Brokers now accessible across the EU, investing in global dividend stocks has become genuinely democratized. A portfolio of $20,000 in quality dividend stocks, think established companies with 3 to 5% annual yield, generates between $600 and $1,000 annually, automatically, quarterly, without you lifting a single finger. Compound that for a decade, you're looking at a fundamentally different financial reality. Stream number 2, digital products. Create once, sell forever. This is the income stream that has made more European millionaires in the last 5 years than almost anything else. And it's barely begun. Here is the mechanism. You create a digital product, an ebook, a template pack, a course, a Notion dashboard, a Lightroom preset. Once, one time. And then you sell it 10,000 times. No warehouse, no shipping costs, no customer service nightmare, just margin. A well-positioned digital product on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy Digital, or Teachable can generate between $500 and $15,000 per month. And the entry barrier is almost embarrassingly low. The question is never, can I do this? The real question is, what knowledge do you already possess that someone else would genuinely pay for?
Stream number 3. Licensing your expertise, the invisible income layer. This one is radically underutilized. And I believe it's because most people don't realize they're sitting on licensable assets. Licensing means you own something of value. A photograph, a piece of music, a written process, a software script, a brand, and companies pay you, repeatedly, for the right to use it. In 2026, with AI content demand at an all-time high, stock photography is generating serious residual income. The same applies to original music on platforms like MusicBed. Procedural templates and business frameworks sell licenses to corporations at high-value rates. You don't need to be famous. You need to be precise about what you offer and professional in how you package it. You don't need to be famous, you need to be precise.
Stream number 4. AI-Augmented freelancing. The leverage play. Here is a profound truth that most people are still processing. AI didn't replace skilled freelancers, it replaced slow ones and turbocharged the rest. The European freelance market reached $380 billion in 2024, and the fastest growing segment? Freelancers who've integrated AI into their workflow, delivering projects in hours that used to take days, and charging premium rates because their output quality is dramatically superior. Graphic designers using Midjourney as a creative ideation partner. Copywriters using Claude to draft and refine at 5x the speed. Developers using GitHub Copilot to ship in days rather than weeks. This isn't about replacing your skill, it's about multiplying it. And in a market that still charges by the project, multiplying your delivery speed is multiplying your effective hourly rate. And now, stream number 5, the one I promised you. Micro equity in the creator economy through revenue share agreements. This is genuinely emerging, and you are among the first audiences anywhere to hear it framed this way. Here's the concept. As the creator economy matures, individual creators, YouTubers, newsletter writers, podcast hosts, indie software makers are beginning to offer revenue share agreements to early supporters and skilled collaborators. You contribute, editing, strategy, research, distribution, and in return you receive a percentage of their ongoing revenue. You are a micro-equity partner in a human brand, a creator making $10,000 per month, offering 5% revenue share. That's $500. Scale across multiple partnerships? That's a meaningful income stream, growing as they grow. You're not working for them, you're growing with them. Now, let's talk architecture, because knowing 5 income streams is not enough. The real mastery is in sequencing them correctly. Month 1 through 6. Your energy goes into stream 2, digital products. Build 1 product, validate it, sell it to 50 people. That proves the concept and generates your first capital. Month 6 through 12. Redirect a portion of those earnings into stream 1, dividends. Plant seeds. Simultaneously, months 1 through 12, position yourself for stream 3 and 4. License what you create, freelance with AI leverage. And as your audience grows, even slowly, begin having conversations with fellow creators about stream 5. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a get-rich, inevitably plan. Given enough time, these 5 streams compound into something extraordinary.
I want to say something that most channels in this space are afraid to say. This takes time, real time, disciplined, consistent, sometimes frustrating time.
The woman in Stockholm I mentioned at the start, she spent 14 months building her digital product pipeline before it became truly passive. 14 months of evenings and weekends while working a full-time job. But here's what she told me, and I think it's the most important thing I can leave you with today. The month I hit $1,000 from passive income, I didn't celebrate the money.
I celebrated the proof that the system worked, because if it worked for $1,000, it would work for $10,000. The only variable was time.
That is the mindset of someone who understands income architecture. And that is the mindset I want you to carry forward from this video. If this video gave you a single idea that you didn't have before, a new frame, a new question, a new possibility, then you already know what to do next. I'm building something here that I believe European audiences have genuinely been missing: honest, strategic, deeply researched financial content. Without the hype, without the noise, without the shortcuts. If that is something you want more of, the subscribe button is right there, and I promise you, every single video will be worth your time. The architecture begins with one decision. You've already made it by watching this far. This is the architecture of your future. Let's build.